Puck gets past McDonough. McDonough then able to keep it away from Reinhart. Oh, big hit by Hagel and a penalty.
Puck was nowhere to be found, and Hagel absolutely lays out Barkov. The right call made here. I mean, it's a huge hit, but you got to understand that the puck is nowhere near Aleksander Barkov, and Barkov is still trying to shake off this hit.
Called it a major penalty. It's under review.
The puck's nowhere near Barkov. I mean, Hagel, it's a penalty. There's no doubt it's interference.
And a major penalty, Bruce, aside from fighting majors, can be looked at, can be confirmed, reduced to a minor, or rescinded.
Now, what was the penalty call?
They just said 5.
Yeah, I don't. Doesn't look like there's head contact. It looks shoulder to shoulder there to me. I'd like to see another look of that angle. That gives us our best look at it.
They've come to a quick resolution.
Yeah.
They're reviewing the play. The call has been confirmed. 5 minutes for interference.
Interference, okay. Well. And Barkov heading towards the tunnel. And as I mentioned, this could be a huge development in this series.